transforming tragedy into public health actions over the last 10 years. Bhaskar Tejashri Memorial Foundation is dedicated for the well-being and safety of adolescents. Born from the pain of losing our son, Bhaskar, to a heart attack, the Bhaskar Memorial Foundation has now evolved into the Bhaskar Tejashri Memorial Foundation after our daughter, Tejashri's passing. Bhaskar was a globally acclaimed geotechnical engineer, the designer and supervisor of the Colcott Fourth Bore in California, United States of America. While Tejashri, a human rights lawyer whose work at the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia helped establish sexual slavery as a new act constitutive of crimes against humanity in the infamous FOCA case. While Bhaskar Initiative for School Heart Health Empowerment studies BISHES strives to prevent other parents from enduring the pain of losing a child to a preventable death. Tejashri Initiative for Empowerment of School Adolescents for Prevention of Sexual Harassment TEEPSH continues Tejashri's legacy of fearless and compassionate fight against systemic injustice. Both studies targeted school adolescents, the largest and most vulnerable segment of the total population, to NCD's risks and gender violence. Although the NCDs manifest mostly during midlife, the disease process begins much earlier during adolescence, with primary risks: consumption of tobacco products, alcohol, and junk foods, drinks, including physical inactivity and mental stress. These risks are highly prevalent among school adolescents in Nepal. Studies show that sexual harassment is entrenched into gender inequity. These problems are affecting children. 66% of school-going children suffered one or other kind of sexual harassment. Research shows children are prime victims of sexual harassment, and perpetrators of such sexual violence are usually known persons of the victims. After the application of BISHES learning module has led to statistically significant reduction of all the 5 mortality-associated NCDs risk behaviors among the students. Change in negative behavior with the adoption of positive behavior is a significant achievement. BISHES received the 2023 Health Minister Bloomberg Public Health Award. Similarly, application of TEEPSH learning module has shown statistically significant increment in knowledge, attitude, skills and mindfulness of breathing, and self-defense among school adolescents. Both the BISHES and TEEPSH studies have been published as original research. A recent landmark event has enabled the BISHES and TEEPSH knowledge spreading across the community schools in all the 7 provinces of Nepal. A cost-sharing partnership between the Center for Education and Human Resource Development under Ministry of Education, Science and Technology and the BTMF partnership aims to integrate research-proven BISHES and TEEPSH modules into the existing curriculum of health education and social studies, respectively, in community schools. The recent 5-day training, from 2nd to 6th March 2025, for master trainers from all 7 provinces of Nepal marked this landmark event. In the meantime, over 22,000 of Nepal Army National Cadet Corps undergraduate students and faculty from the Nepal Army Institute of Health Sciences, Karali Academy of Health Sciences, and others have benefited from learning BISHES and TEEPSH. Similarly, in cost-sharing partnership with various local governments, hundreds of school teachers have received training to apply BISHES and TEEPSH while teaching existing curriculum on health and social studies. Besides, as part of the Tejashri Justice Initiative, we have successfully collaborated with Kathmandu University School of Law in conducting 2 national moot court competitions on international humanitarian law. Similarly, Tejashri Human Rights Scholarship at Nepal Law Campus, which has supported to law students. Nayan Kandel also completed her law degree with a BTMF scholarship. Additionally, Nirjana Sharki, from a marginalized community in Jumla, received a scholarship to pursue grade 12 studies in law. BTMF has established Bhaskar Memorial Scholarship Trust at Min Secondary School to support meritorious students from marginalized communities. In 2024, BTMF awarded the inaugural Bhaskar Memorial Scholarship in Civil Engineering to Manoj Bisunke, a student from the historically disadvantaged ethnic group. BTMF advocates the knowledge of BISHES and TEEPSH. while celebrating important annual events like World Health Day and International Women's Day. BTMF journey from a research concept to a nationwide public health initiative was made possible by the unwavering support of Nick Simons Foundation, World Health Organization Nepal, the Ministry of Health and Population, Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, countless experts, friends, local leaders, school teachers, and students. BTMF extends its deepest gratitude to all. Thank you.